Marcus and Corey.
Good morning from Star 1013.
I walk a lonely road, the only one I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's only me and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shadow, that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone. I'm walking down the line that divides me somewhere in my mind, on the borderline of the where I walk alone. Read between the lines what's puffed up and everything's alright. Check my vital signs and know I'm still alive and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shadow's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one and I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shadow's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone.
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today it's Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey, and as promised, it's time to win.
We've got tickets to see the Chicks. Shoreline Amphitheater, July 30th, courtesy of Live Nation. Tickets on sale now at livenation.com.
If you want to go, just be caller 20, and we'll hook you up with some tickets. It's 800-800-1013. We're going to do good news next to kick off your week. It's Star 1013.
That way, you look like my next mistake. That's the game, wanna play. New money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny, rumors fly. And I know you heard about me, so hey, let's be Dressed like a daydream. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Got a list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the game. 'Cause we young and we're reckless. It'll take this way too far. It'll leave you breathless, or with the nasty scar. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. But I've got a blank space, baby, and I'll write your name. Boys, only one love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn you. Boys, only one love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn ya. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain.
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. Star 1013, Marcus and Corey. Congratulations going out to Susan in San Francisco, who just grabbed those tickets for the Dixie Chicks. If you want to go check them out, what's that?
Chicks.
Oh, the Chicks. Sorry, you're right. Listen, play through. It didn't happen.
Nope.
Shoreline, July 30th. Tickets are on sale now at livenation.com, and more mañana at 7:35.
It's a good day.
It's time for good news with Marcus and Corey. 3, 2, 1, go!
Sometimes all you need is one good thought to make it a great day. So let's do this. It's good news on Star 101.
Corey's going to kick us off. Tell me some good news.
I've got a pizza delivery driver who became a hero last week when he saved 5 children from their burning home in Indiana.
Wow.
Nicholas Bostic was driving past the house around midnight when he noticed the flames and stopped to help. The 25-year-old was yelling to wake up 4 children ages 1 to 8. He got them outside, and then they said there might be a 6-year-old still in there. So he ran back in. He could hear the child crying, so he wrapped a shirt around his mouth and nose so he could get the child in what he called a, quote, black lagoon of smoke.
Yeah.
He couldn't see the door, so he ran back upstairs, broke a second-story window, and jumped, holding the 6-year-old.
Good Lord.
The child was miraculously mostly uninjured.
Yeah.
Bostic was lifted to a hospital in Indianapolis where he's inhalation and a cut on his arm before being released.
He's basically an Avenger.
That was amazing. I
Yeah.
mean, because you know he must have cradled this child
Sure.
to protect them while hitting the ground.
Crazy.
But I just love
Superhero.
people who just
Strangers just doing the right
acts of heroism.
heroism.
Thank you.
Very good. I like that. We're doing good news right now. My good news is personal. Y'all know I've been rehabbing with this shoulder injury torn rotator cuff. Tomorrow will mark 7 weeks, and I was able to make dinner for the family over the weekend.
Oh, that's nice. You haven't done that yet.
Have not done. I sort of half did it with help one time, but this was my wife literally was like, "Do you need any help with anything?" I said, "Nope, I got it." And of course, I can't go easy.
What'd you make?
We had rack of lamb,
Wow.
and we had truffled mushroom risotto.
Oh, I love risotto.
And some celery. And this is good news on top of good news. My 7-year-old ate all the risotto. She had like 3 helpings. She's like, "Daddy, this is
Wow.
really good."
She a lamb person? I know people are
No.
kind of divided on lamb.
I understand some people. I understand. We ate it, and I'll own it, and it was delicious. And I know some people don't eat lamb, but just the fact that I was able to nail this with no help, with using sort of both arms. This is the first weekend where I felt like I'm not going to damage anything if I move my right shoulder around. In fact, they encourage it to lubricate the joint so I don't get frozen.
Without that.
What?
But just lube.
First thing in the morning. Anyway, good news. 7:40 and 8:40 weekday mornings. If you have any to share, you can always hit us up. In fact, we're encouraging people to use the talkback feature on the iHeartRadio app. If you're listening to Star 101, hit that microphone. Let us know what your good news is. I might share it next hour at 8:40, okay? Gonna check what's trending coming up next. Right now it's Kate Bush running up that hill. If you watch Stranger Things, that's where the song comes from these days. It's Star 101.3.
Marcus and Corey.
Weekday mornings on Star 101.3.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed, put on my best suit, got in my car, raced like a hesitate. All the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my head to ask you a question. 'Cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough love for my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? It's so rude. I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Yeah, no matter what you say. Marry that girl. We'll be a family. Why you gotta be so rude? I hate to do this, you leave no choice. Can't live with. Love me or hate me, we will be both. Still you're not that altered. Or we will run away to another guy to say you know. You know she's in love with me. She will go hey, I go. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes. Need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough love for my friend, 'cause the answer's still no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say. Marry that girl. We'll be a family. Why you gotta be so rude? Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough love, my friend. The no still means no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry that girl. We'll be a family. Why you gotta be so Why you gotta be so Why you gotta be so
What I'm talking about is what's trending at Star 1013.
What's happening in entertainment news? The biggest stories of the day and talking about today in the Bay.
Jennifer, it's official. Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez got married Saturday night, and she even signed her name as Jennifer Lynn Affleck. So she has legally taken his name. They got married in Vegas in the Little White Wedding Chapel, which is actually a place where a lot of celebrities go. She had a change, so 2 dresses for the evening. And I feel good about this. I feel good about their union. I think this is the one.
Well, as long as you feel good about it, that's important.
Well, when they got together before, they were very different. But now that Ben Affleck is sober, because Jennifer Lopez doesn't drink,
Right.
And so I think they're on the same page now.
Did I read that right? They were last engaged 20 years ago?
Yes.
God.
Remember Gilles?
Who could forget that monstrosity?
Yeah. AMC has dropped a teaser for the.
Into this franchise?
So I loved Walking Dead
Uh-huh.
for a minute.
Okay.
Negan gets on board. That was like the bad guy with the bat wrapped
You're
with
already
barbed
too
wire.
deep for me.
Okay, well, anyway, I really liked it, and then it just kind of was starting to go